You changing out the valve springs, right? We got the stock. This is stock LT4 head, and I'm doing the exhaust valves because they different. The intake valves got titanium like keepers on it. That's how you can know the difference. But all right, so let's get these old ones out. This ain't no real expensive setup, but it get the job done. That's all that matters. All right. So what we're doing, we're taking the stock keepers out. So we're replacing. Spin that around to this side, and then see how it just fall right on out.
It's raining. Focus.
Must be a squirrel out there. So. So we got, take the pressure out the spring, and take the spring out. Valve. We're gonna wipe that off. Take it out. Alright. Now we're gonna take this old valve stem seal out. Make sure we wipe all the oil out of there.
Now, why did you skip the second one?
So this one right here is an intake valve. Right now we're just doing strictly exhaust valves.
So, are all of every other one is a
Exhaust valve, yeah. So you got exhaust, intake, exhaust, intake, exhaust, intake, so on and so forth. We're going to this battery. Also, we got this battery here because we're doing this on the side of the table, and this is just weight. This thing right there. And the bottom of this is plastic, so it's not going to scar or, you know, cut anything. Alright, so with the BTR kit, this is their special C706 kit for LT4. So they come with all the parts you need in order to install the valve springs. You got you ready?
I'm recording.
Oh.
Black thing.
Yeah. No, see. Alright, so C is in the little bag. This, yeah, this. Alright, so you gotta put a little oil on the inside.
spring. You don't need the spring, right? Yeah, on the inside. You're trying to get around the outside edge. Yeah. Good.
Yes.
That's good.
Stick it on there.
Yeah. It's definitely you're doing it right. You just push that hard. All right. Grab your spring.
How do you know which way is the top or bottom?
It don't matter.
You sure?
Positive.
I think I like this one. Put this on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's top. You got it. Yeah, push your spring. Clockwise. Go back a little bit. One more time. All right. Grab your new keepers. Two of them. See, hold on. You gotta actually hold it. Yeah, twist it clockwise. There you go. Yeah. That's why the handle on this is something twisted. You don't feel it popping. See. You go. You just broke the seal.
Pop this virginity.
You go. Alright. So, yeah, you take that out. Say screwdriver out. Alright. Use the hook. You gotta fish out the little keepers. Yep. So for that one, you can pull this to you to take some of the tension off of it. Like so. See on it? Try to get it on this side. Try to fish it back around to this side. There you go. Alright. Now, take the tension back off the Valvetrain. Counterclockwise. We can't drop that, so I put it back in first. Hold on. Grab the pliers. Squeeze the outside. Yeah, the outside. It's gonna, you're gonna have to really squeeze. you do for that is like you come right in here, squeeze and twist. See how it's twisting? Squeeze and